Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. And welcome to the chemistry class. In our today's topic, we are going to discuss about the filtration. Basically, it is a separation technique. Now we will have a definition for the filtration. Basically, when we have a look on the filtration, it is the process used to separate the insoluble particles from liquids. So basically, it is used to remove the solid impurities from the solutions. So here we have a simple look on the filtration process. For this purpose, we take a glass funnel in which we set the filter paper. This is the filter paper, and then we just pour the solution. Then the solid particles that are the residue it left behind over the filter paper, and we just gain the pure filtrate. So this is known as the solid residue, and at the end we just gain the filtrate. In filtration, we use different type of filter papers or different mediums. So it depends upon the nature of precipitates, that what type of filter paper we will use for the process of filtration. Mainly we will do the filtration from the filter paper, or we use the filter crucibles. So these are the two mediums for the filtration process. Then we have the folding of filter paper. How we can use the filter paper in a better way. Basically, filter papers, they are rounded in shape, and we have to give it the first fold according to its diameter, as the diameter is a half of the circle, and we have to fold it over it. Then we will gain this shape. So the first step is the simple folding of the paper according to its diameter. And then in the second step, we have to again fold it according to its diameter in this way. And we will gain this shape, that is a cone-like shape. Now we will move its three sides to this one and the one side over there. So it just gain the shape of a cone. This is the simple folding of the filter paper. That is very important process, or that is the important step for the filtration. So folding the filter paper, and then we just put it into the funnel as its sides get adjusted with the funnel, and it can be used for the process of filtration. So filtration is a very simple process. Next, we have filtration used for. We have a lot of examples from our daily life about the filtration. As in the filtration process that separates the solid particles from the liquid, or as well as from the gas, by passing the mixture through the filters. So we can use different types of filters for the filtration process, filter paper, or we also got the water from the filters. They are also fitted with the specific type of filters that remove the impurities. Next, we use a mask. It also works as a filter. Now, from what we use it as a filter? From the different viruses or from the different germs. So that's why they do not get into the nose as well as from the mouth or in the human body. Next, we have the preparation of the coffee. It is also fitted with some specific filters that just allow only the filtrate or only the liquid to pass through it, the solid residue just left behind over there. Next, we have some strainers. These strainers also work as a filter paper to remove the solid insoluble particles from the liquid. At the end, we have here the picture of the kidney. So it is the main example of the filtration. Main function of the kidney is to filter the body fluid. So body fluid means it needs to filter the blood. So the main function of the kidney is to filter. It is the main example of the filtration process that has been fitted by the God in the body of the human beings. It works a lot or a whole day as its structure is like a bean like. So the blood passes through it and it cleans all the fluid in a better way. So this is all about today's lecture about the filtration. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And in the next lesson, we will discuss about the filtration through the fluted filter paper. As the previous one, just the filtration through the simple filter paper. Now we will discuss it into a different type of filter paper that is known as the fluted filter paper. Its shape is different from the simple filter paper. For that time, you guys have a good day and Allah Hafiz.